Have you ever stumbled upon a piece of code that looks simple but leaves you scratching your head? If you've been working with Java and found yourself confused about the collection.stream method, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into this topic and clearing up the confusion. I totally get it. When you see a method like list.stream, it seems straightforward, but not knowing where it comes from can be frustrating. You're not alone in this. Many developers have faced the same question. Let's break down the specific questions you have. You want to know where the java.util.stream.stream comes from and how it was implemented without altering the existing collections. Sound familiar? Let's explore these questions together. To understand this, we need to look at how Java Stream API was designed. The stream method is part of the java.util.collection interface, which means it can be used by any class that implements this interface. This design allows for a clean and efficient way to process collections without modifying their structure. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a tip that will help you use streams more effectively in your Java projects. To answer the user's first question, when the user calls list.stream, the stream is obtained from the java.util.stream package. This package provides the stream interface, which is a key component of the Java Stream API. Now, regarding the user's second question, the implementation of the stream method does not disturb existing collections. This is achieved through a design pattern known as the decorator pattern, which allows new functionality to be added to existing classes without modifying their structure. The stream method is actually defined in the abstract collection class, which is a superclass for many collection types. This means that all collections inherit this method, providing a consistent way to create streams from any collection. Finally, the user can explore the stream interface further to understand its capabilities. The stream interface provides various methods for processing sequences of elements, such as filtering, mapping, and reducing. Fun fact, the Stream API was introduced in Java 8, and it revolutionized the way we handle collections. It's like giving your code a turbo boost. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that the term stream refers to the functional aspect of collections. The actual implementation is found in the java.util.stream.reference pipeline class. They detail the process of converting a collection to a stream, which involves a specific path. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. This user explains that the stream method is a default method in the collection interface, introduced in Java 8. When you call list.stream, it invokes this default method, converting the list into a stream object for further processing. Here's a pro tip. Always check the official Java documentation for the latest updates on the Stream API. It can save you a lot of time and confusion in your coding journey. And there you have it. You now know where the stream comes from and how it was implemented. Keep exploring the Java Stream API, and you'll find it a powerful tool in your programming toolkit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.